live outside of the Supreme Court today. One of the most controversial rape and murder cases, the Alan Steed case, is coming to the final verdict.
This time, the prosecution is led by a mysterious attorney. She's also known as the legal queen. She has never lost a case. Will this be her first defeat?
Many people showed up to support Jenny. They all want to see real justice served. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
Order. After considering the evidence and argument, this court finds the defendant guilty of first-degree murder and rape, sentenced to life imprisonment. This judgment is final.
Wait, do you know who my father is? No, you fucking bitch! I'll fucking kill you! You stupid fucking bitch! I'll fucking kill you! I'll fucking kill you! Where do you think you're going? Come back here! Come back here!
I can't believe she did it again. She actually convicted the governor's son.
I knew she's the real deal. I won it from my labor lawsuit. But where is she?
Mr. Grant, please.
I know many of you want the legal queen to take your cases, but she has decided to step away from law and start a family. For any inquiries on legal matters going forward, I will be taking over the firm from here.
Nora, you're fulfilling your mother's last wish in getting married. I hope that's the right decision.
Yeah. Oh shit, wings case.
Mommy, what is this?
Emma, this is Mommy's lawyer license. Where'd you find it?
Mommy, what's a lawyer? Can I draw on it?
Come in, it's open.
Whoa. Can't be drawn on this. This is still valid.
Hi, Ethan.
This is very important to your mom, okay? I'm gonna keep it safe. You go play. You might still need this.
I don't plan on going back anyway.
Look, your law firm just got a very tricky and complicated case, and I know you are the only one that can handle it.
You're my best legal associate. What kind of case can't you handle?
Nora, it's your husband's case.
Darren's case? What happened?
Your husband's company was involved in a municipal project. Some of the employees filed a joint lawsuit against him, unsafe working condition and wage theft. Someone even died on site. He refuses to pay the wages or compensation fees.
What? How could Darren do something like this?
Nora, this case is a very big deal. It's almost a guaranteed loss. No lawyer in town will touch it. Your husband probably doesn't know that this law firm is yours. He asked someone to reach out to us. If anyone can save him, it's you.
I could save him, but why should I? How could he do this?
Nora, I know you have your principles. If your husband ends up in prison, I'm not sure what will happen to him. Your name and Emma's name are on every asset that he owns. If he goes down, it's gonna affect you too. Besides, who knows what more complications this case could have.
Mommy, is Daddy going somewhere?
Daddy's not going anywhere, okay? I'll take a look at it. Don't tell Darren I'm his attorney, though. I need to talk to him first. As his wife.
Yes, Nora.
She agreed to consider taking my case. I'm totally gonna win. Thanks again. Oh, Victoria, my baby. Thanks again for introducing me to this law firm. I know it's almost impossible to get her to say yes to any case, but with the legal queen on her side, I'll definitely win.
Then don't forget what you promised.
Oh, I won't. Once I win this lawsuit and sell off this company, I'm gonna take you and our son overseas. And our debts, I'm gonna drop that mess on Nora and the damn child. How's that sound?
I know we could count on you.
So, doesn't this mean I deserve a little more for all this?
Well, shouldn't you be working? Darren's not at the office? Why isn't he answering?
Mommy, this is my new friend Lucas. His last name's also Carter. What a coincidence.
Why does he look exactly like a young version of Darren? That's impossible. Sweetie, where are your parents?
I've been waiting for them here. Oh, look, you have a bracelet. That's a gift from my daddy. My mom has one too, but hers is made out of diamond. And my dad also bought a car and a yacht. Does Emma's dad buy you those?
No, but that doesn't mean he's not a good father.
I love Daddy the most.
Darren means too much to Emma as a father. Darren, don't let us down. Let's go find your parents, okay?
Oh, I have to hurry. Lucas is eating this. When are you gonna care more about Lucas?
Once this case is over, I'll divorce her. It'll just be you, me, and Lucas.
Lucas, maybe your parents are right here. Maybe we just wait a little longer.
Mr. Carter.
See? This is why you need your own elevator. This company is yours.
Once the legal queen wins my lawsuit, I'll start a new company and build a brand new private elevator just for you, okay? Damn it. I forgot my phone in the office.
Hurry. Don't make us wait.
Excuse me.
Mom, I'm bored. Mommy, can me and Lucas go get some ice cream?
Lucas's parents might be here any moment, but let's play a game where you guess which hand has the flavor you like best.
Strawberry, my favorite! Strawberry's my favorite! Okay, you are my new friend. You can have it. I'll have blueberry. Give it to me!
Lucas, I think we should wait for your parents to get back.
No, I want to eat it now!
What the hell did you give my son?
Mommy, are you hurt?
I'm fine, honey.
Lucas, spit it out. Now.
Mom, I swallowed it.
You, what did you give my son?
I'm sorry, I told Lucas that he had to wait for you to come back until he had any, but don't worry, I give these to my daughter all the time. He's fine.
This is full of sugar. It's disgusting. Do you really think that your daughter is the same as my son? My son doesn't eat junk like this.
Mom, she forced me to eat it. You took my strawberry candy. You ate it yourself. Mom, they're scary. Take me home.
Why would you lie like this?
Bitch, are you calling my son a liar?
Check the security footage and we'll see who's really lying. And if you're so concerned about your son, you should just go take him for a full checkup and send me the bill, okay? Emma, let's go.
Did I say you could leave?
What do you want?
What do I want? I want you to apologize for feeding my son without my permission and get down on your knees and kiss my shoes.
You're insane!
Let go of my mommy. My daddy works here. He won't let you get away. My dad works here too. Your mom is a liar. My dad will punish her.
Good job, my son. So your man works here too. I'll make sure he gets fired and never finds another job in the city ever again.
Do you know who owns this company?
It's the father of my son. He's the CEO.
What did you say? Emma, my daughter has asthma. She needs her inhaler. Let go of me.
You are faking it. Get up.
Get off of her!
Mommy, she pushed me. It hurt.
Look what you did!
What are you doing? My daughter needs that!
You want this? Apologize to my son.
I'm sorry, okay? Is that enough? My daughter needs that inhaler!
No! I mean, get down on your knees and apologize to my Lucas properly.
Why the hell is Nora calling you so much?
Mommy, help.
I'm sorry, Lucas. No, my daughter needs that inhaler or she could die!
No, nobody's gonna help you. Throw them out. I'll have your CEO fire you both.
My husband is the CEO, Darren Carter!
When's the real Miss Carter? Pretty sure I saw her with Mr. Carter earlier.
No! Look at the name. It's your CEO.
I see it. You approached my son with your daughter just to get Darren's attention? He's mine.
You and Darren? What are you talking about?
Restrain her.
No, don't touch me! What do you want?
How dare you seduce Darren? This is what happens when you mess with me.
Why isn't Nora answering?
Hello, Mr. Grant.
Mr. Carter, the legal queen needs to talk to you in person. Please get all the files ready.
Of course. What does she look like?
You'll understand once you meet her.
She must feel very confident about my case.
As for you, Nora, just wait to take the fall from me.
Don't hit my mommy!
Let go of me! Here, breathe in. Why did you rush over like that?
Where's Daddy? My dad's the CEO here. Your dad doesn't love you anymore.
Emma, that's not true.
Lucas. Babe, what's going on?
Dad?
Darren, honey. What did they just call you?
Don't. How dare you seduce him? He is the father of my son.
Daddy, you're here. Please, they're hurting Mommy. You're a liar. He's my dad, not yours. Let go of my dad.
Don't tell me that.
Yes, that's the wife I'm stuck with.
Let go.
You're nothing but dead weight.
What did you just say to our daughter?
That she's dead weight.
Just like you.
No wonder you want to get rid of her so badly. Ugh, the kid is just as annoying as she is.
Nora, now that you know, there's no point in hiding it anymore. Victoria is the love of my life. And Lucas is my real child.
The love of your life? Your real child? Then what are we to you?
Well, I think that makes you two a filthy bitch and her annoying kid. If Darren didn't need you to take the blame for the debts and compensation, do you really think he would look twice at someone like you?
Debts? Compensation? What are you talking about? Wait. The death of those employees? The stolen wages? You weren't framed. You actually committed those crimes.
How did you know about that?
Darren, I'm not going to let you run from this. You're done.
Shut up!
Victoria got me the best lawyer to defend myself.
The legal queen.
The legal queen? The undefeated lawyer? She hasn't taken a case in years.
I heard some celebrity try to get in touch but failed. Our CEO must have pulled some strings to get the legal queen to defend him.
See? What can you do? Oh, right. You can take the blame for Darren once we sell the company and leave the country. Maybe I shouldn't have said that.
Well, that's okay, babe. We have the legal queen by our side. What's a housewife like her gonna do about it?
So this was your plan all along. No wonder you put all the company assets under my name.
Daddy, why are you doing this to Mommy?
Oh, sweetie. I'm not just doing this to your mother. I'm getting rid of you too.
Don't ever call me daddy again.
Are you out of your mind? This is your daughter.
Who cares?
Only a son like Lucas can inherit everything that I have.
Mommy.
And what is he going to inherit? A life sentence? An empty bank account?
Are you deaf? We have the legal queen. How can we even lose? You're cursing, Darren. Let me make you shut up.
The legal queen will never defend a jerk like Darren. He's going to lose.
Nora, you don't even know who the legal queen is, so shut your mouth.
I don't.
A shameless criminal teams up with his mistress to frame his own wife and daughter? The legal queen will never stand with you. Not in your dreams.
Don't listen to her. The legal queen will be here soon. Get these two out of here.
If you lay a finger on my daughter, I'll make sure you rot in jail.
Victoria's right. You two need to disappear.
Mommy! Mommy!
Don't touch her! Darren, stop! I am the legal queen.
You? What?
I am the legal queen you've been looking for. I've seen all the evidence of your crimes. Let her go, or I'll make sure you rot in jail.
You must be insane. Look, I know this is funny, but we don't have time for this. Take them out of here. Send them to the madhouse.
Mommy!
Emma! See for yourself that I'm the legal queen.
Oh, Nora, I didn't think you were so desperate. Are you really pretending to be the legal queen?
I mean, it's so fake. There's a drawing on it. So pathetic.
Mommy, what's a lawyer? Can I draw on it? Mommy's not lying. She's a lawyer. I drew that.
Nora, when we got married, you didn't even have a job.
That's because it was my mother's dying wish for me to have my own family. That's why I was in such a hurry to marry you. Before that, I was a lawyer.
Does anyone believe her bullshit?
I heard the legal queen has never shown her face in public.
I think she's just impersonating her. If the legal queen finds out, she will definitely sue her.
Like mother, like daughter. You two are liars.
Darren, do you think that your company could grow to this size without me backing you up?
Oh, don't flatter yourself. My success has nothing to do with you. Get them out of here.
Wait! Ethan! It was Ethan who called you, right? Ethan is my legal associate. He works for me.
Have you been spying on my schedule? What else do you know?
Don't hurt my mommy. I hate you.
Call Ethan. He'll explain.
I don't need to bother Mr. Grant to prove that you are a liar.
Wait, baby. I had somebody get me the legal queen's personal number. I have it right here. Why don't we just call her so we can shut this bitch up?
See, my mommy is the legal queen.
How is this possible? She can't be the real legal queen. Darren, there's no way she could be the real legal queen, right?
I've never seen her work a day in her life. There's no way she's a lawyer.
Let's check the incoming call just now. You'll see the truth.
Why didn't Nora call me? What if something happens to Nora on her way there? Hey, Vivian, cancel all my appointments today. I need to go somewhere now.
I knew it. She can't be a lawyer.
Your phone is dead. What are you trying to pull? Do you think I'm stupid?
No, don't touch her. Emma!
Mommy!
Stop it! Ethan! Ethan is here! He can prove that I'm the legal queen! Just ask him! Ethan! Ethan!
Mr. Grant, Darren Carter. It's great to meet you, Mr. Carter.
Babe, that's Mr. Grant. This bitch and her daughter need to go, or Mr. Grant will tell the legal queen to refuse your case.
Darren, you have to trust me. I am the legal queen.
Nora, stop this nonsense. Tie them up and lock them in a meeting room. Do not let them make a single sound. Go!
And you're?
I'm Darren's wife, Victoria. And this is our son, Lucas.
This bastard cheated on Nora.
What's that sound?
A sound? Do you hear anything?
No, nothing.
Wait, that's Nora.
Mr. Grant? Mr. Grant, please, our meeting room back to the other way.
Grant!
Yeah.
Mr. Grant, please.
Don't go in there. That's a private meeting room.
Mr. Grant.
Don't go in there. That's a private meeting room.
Sorry, they haven't cleaned the room yet.
My apologies. I don't think the legal queen's gonna make it today. Why don't we reschedule?
Sure. Anytime.
Last minute no show? How unprofessional.
My mom said the legal queen is so unprofessional.
Well, Mr. Carter, you can always find someone else to take a case.
No. Shut up. Now, if you'd please ask the legal queen to take her case. In fact, here are the case files you requested. If you could pass them along to the legal queen.
I will.
Babe, we need to find Nora.
Find her.
Oh, Nora? Emma, what happened? Are you okay?
It's a long story. She needs to get to a hospital. She just had an asthma attack. Please.
Shoot. Okay, I got you. Hey, I parked over here. Let's get going. Let's go.
It's okay.
Are you alright, miss?
I need to help my daughter. She needs to get to a hospital.
Come with me. I'm gonna get you out of here.
In.
We're really lucky that man helped us. He seemed to have some sort of conflict with Darren's company. Can you look into that for me?
Leave it to me. You gave up your career to marry Darren, and he cheated on you, and he hurt Emma like this. And these wounds, you have to get these checked out by a doctor.
I'm okay. I'm just worried about Emma.
She's fine now. I must say, as parents, you really have to make sure that she's not under any stress.
Oh, he's not my husband.
Thank you, doctor. Oh, these are your husband's case files. Keep them safe.
I will. Thank you for everything.
Mommy, can you get a divorce?
Will you be sad if I do?
No. That way Daddy won't hurt us again. I want to protect you, Mommy.
You're an angel, Emma.
If I had the courage to tell you my feelings, Nora.
Hello? Wait. Slow down. What?
Pay us the wages! Pay us now! Life or life! We want justice now!
What the hell are you doing here?
Darren Carter? My brother died on your site. You had us on this dangerous construction site. You owe us months of wages.
You want to keep causing a scene? You won't get a cent out of me.
You owe my brother his life.
All you really want is money, right? Anyone who decides to sign this settlement today walks away with $10,000 cash.
$10,000 per person? That's not even a quarter of what you owe us.
Oh, don't be silly. Just sign and stop pushing your luck. My attorney is the best in the country. Illegal.
I've also asked around. She won't defend scumbags like you.
I just got off the phone with her assistant. We'll be here any moment. So here he is.
Are you really the legal queen's assistant?
Yes, I am Ethan Grant. The legal queen asked me to be here.
See? I have the legal queen. I'll sign now before you lose the chance. My attorney has never lost a case. You know what? I'll give you all 5 minutes. After that, deal's off.
What are you doing? Jane, Leo, are you really going to let him walk free? Sorry. Look, I need the money from my little one's treatment. It's the legal queen.
Jason, don't sign it!
Sign it. It's over.
Jason, don't sign it! Don't sign it!
Take your money. We're going to court. You owe my brother his life, you piece of shit!
You want to hit me? You're on record now. All of you are. Take it, please. You don't get away with this.
Let me go! Hey! Let me go! Let me go! Hey!
Nora, why didn't we turn him down?
I want to watch him lose everything in front of me.
Darren, enjoy the surprise.
Oh, and your dry cleaning was sent to the front desk.
Wow, Mommy, is this yours? You two look like a couple.
Emma, lots of lawyers wear suits.
Mommy, you look so pretty being a lawyer.
Emma, you are so right. And your mom is the best lawyer in the entire world.
Where the hell is Nora? It doesn't matter. I have the legal queen. Nora will rot in jail for me.
Mr. Grant.
The legal queen will be here, right?
I assure you the legal queen will be here momentarily.
Good.
Are all counsel present?
Hey, idiots. Admit it. You don't have money for a lawyer.
And I told you, you'll get nothing out of this. In fact, the legal queen's gonna put you behind bars for what you did the other day.
These must be the former employees of the Carter's group. I heard they beat up their CEO. No wonder no one's here to represent them.
Mr. Carter had the legal queen to defend him. I don't think they stand a chance at all.
I'll allow 3 minutes. After that, we will start the hearing.
What should we do? I knew it! None of the lawyers in this town will help us.
They don't even have a lawyer. Doesn't that mean I win without a fight?
Your Honor? I'm the attorney defending the plaintiff.
Nora, what the hell are you doing here?
I'm defending my client.
Miss, you're a lawyer?
I tried a dozen law firms. Not a single lawyer will help us.
The legal queen? I thought she was a good lawyer, but she represents that bastard? Shame on her. Oh, Jason, man, you doing okay?
That bastard had a press conference to accuse us of blackmailing him. My brother died because of him. If I can't win this case, I'm taking down with you.
So I want to get back at him. Don't use violence. Use justice.
It's you! Aren't you that bastard's lawyer?
So just let me finish. I think you'll change your mind. Our firm doesn't represent Mr. Carter anymore. We want to take your case.
But isn't your legal fees really expensive?
We provide pro bono legal services. I assure you, we will represent you for free. And if we win, your compensation will stay yours.
Is your daughter okay, miss?
Yes. Thank you for saving us. Now, let's win this case.
Does she even know who she's up against? It's the legal queen.
Exactly. We came here just to witness the legal queen win the case.
Nora, are you insane? This is a courtroom. How dare you impersonate a lawyer in front of a judge?
Your Honor, I've been working as a practicing attorney for many years.
Don't let her fool you. She's my ex-wife. Just a housewife.
Your Honor, I have my license here with me. It will prove that I am qualified to be here.
The court acknowledges the license. However, given the attorney's relationship with the defendant, Mr. Carter, you have the right to request that this attorney be removed from this case.
Is this some kind of a joke? Her, a lawyer? No, that ID is a fake.
Ms. Voss's license is valid. Mr. Carter, are you questioning the integrity of this court?
This is impossible. Nora, a lawyer?
Order, Mr. Carter. I'll give you one chance to ask for Ms. Voss's removal from this case. What do you decide?
Damn it. Nora is a real lawyer, and she must have been a terrible lawyer. If she claims to be a lawyer, let her be it. The legal queen will beat you very easily.
Your Honor, shall we begin?
Oh, wait. The legal queen will be here to represent me. She's the best in the country.
Even if she does show up, it won't be for you.
You're just saying that because you're afraid that the legal queen is going to kick your ass.
Order, Mr. Carter. Watch your language. We will start in 10, 9.
Mr. Grant, is the legal queen coming or not?
Darren, open your eyes. The legal queen has already arrived.
All right, the defendant has no attorney present, so let's...
He's here. The legal queen.
I'm here, and I'll be representing Mr. Carter. I'm his defense attorney, Norman Voss.
So you're the legal queen? You don't look like it.
Listen, I know it doesn't look like it. Trust me, it's a hell of a story. I would love to tell you later, but for now, let's focus on your name.
Where on earth did they find this guy?
Another legal queen? Interesting.
What are you looking at? Drop the case now, or there's no turning back.
We trust her. She's not going anywhere.
Victoria, it doesn't matter who defends Mr. Carter. He committed these crimes. He's going to pay for them.
Mr. Voss, give it all you've got. Show this bitch no mercy.
Don't worry. I got this.
Now this court is in session.
And that concludes our presentation on the relevant facts regarding Mr. Carter's alleged crimes.
Counsel for the defense, you may now present your response.
Your Honor, as Mr. Carter, defense attorney, I suggest he pleads guilty.
Aren't you the real legal queen?
What are you even saying?
Listen, the evidence you gave me, all lies. What they have against us, flawless. Take my advice, plead guilty.
I am paying you a fortune, and you're trying to put me in jail.
Trust me. The evidence they have against you, higher than any building.
You call yourself the best lawyer in the country. You are a con!
Wait, what? I never said I was the best lawyer of anything, and I'm certainly no con.
But you said you were the legal queen. And when I asked around, they said the legal queen's name was also Voss.
Well, what a coincidence. I am Mr. Voss, and I am the legal queen.
How come?
Look, I won the drag queen competition in 2006 at the Bar Association. Everyone's been calling me legal queen. What?
A drag queen?
Oh, this is not good.
Mr. Carter, just sign the land confession. Or you're looking at a life sentence.
Mr. Carter, taking all factors into account, this court hereby sentences you to life imprisonment. You are ordered to pay compensation in relation to the death of Joey Dixon in the amount of $5 million. You shall pay back all salaries and compensation to the other affected employees effective immediately.
Wait, don't you think this lawyer reminds you of...
Yes, she is the legal queen, and this is her 501st victory in court. She's the best lawyer in the world. She's done it again.
What? How could she possibly be the legal queen?
I've worked in her law firm for years. Nora is the legal queen.
That's impossible! No, you two are in this together.
She told you herself. You just didn't believe her. She tried to help you, but You brought this on yourself.
No, baby. You are the legal queen. Please help me get an appeal. I'm still your husband, so don't let them put me in jail!
I thought you wanted me to take the fall for you.
I'll do anything, please, Nora! You want a divorce? Think about Emma, she still needs me!
You already have a son of your own, and a woman who you love, remember? Stay away from my daughter.
Don't do this. It was all my fault. Please, Nora. Please don't let them put me in jail!
Well, then you shouldn't have committed all those crimes. Now sign it, or I'll make sure that she winds up behind bars as well. Don't think I don't know your secrets.
Don't you dare. Where do I sign?
This is when we do it.
Nora, I'll make you pay for this.
Cheers!
Emma, your mom is a legend.
Mommy's the best. I want to be a lawyer like Mommy when I grow up.
Welcome back, Nora.
Hey, Ethan, Nora's back. Did you miss her?
Of course! Ethan and Nora were the best partners together.
Wait, what? They're...
Oh, Sophie, you're new to the firm. A few years back, they were the best team in court.
A divorced woman and Ethan? Seriously? Ethan is mine.
Oh, I almost forget. Nora, this is Sophie, our new intern.
Sophie Green. You do know the Green Group, right? My father is the CEO. Welcome to the firm, Sophie. I've also prepared a gift.
Isn't that the latest Bulgari bracelet? It costs over $5,000 each.
Nora, why don't you try it on? Sorry. Will it not fit your wrist?
I won. Ethan won't look at you twice from now on.
Sophie, you do know this is a law firm, right?
What did I do wrong?
Our only aim here is to provide legal services for our clients. We are lawyers, after all. There's no need to give an expensive gift just to maintain a professional relationship.
That's not...
From now on, no one at the firm is to give any gifts to each other over $50, okay? This is an official policy.
I have to agree with Ethan on this. I'm sorry. It was my mistake.
Damn it. Ever since Nora showed up, Ethan's totally changed.
Hey, come on. Don't be so hard on yourself.
Nora, this time, I'll try everything to stand by your side.
I actually have an announcement to make.
Let me guess. You want to invite us to your wedding? You two look perfect together.
Actually, first, I will no longer be using the name The Legal Queen. From now on, I will just be Nora Voss. And I'm going to hire another associate attorney. Ethan, I'm going to make you a partner at this firm. And as for the question about my imaginative wedding, guys, I am not getting married again.
No, why? I mean, why can't I just be an associate still?
Ethan, the truth is you've been ready for this position for a long time.
Nora's right. You've been running this firm for years.
Exactly. And now you can hire your own assistant. Sophie, would you mind? Not at all. I'd be happy to.
All right, let's get more drinks.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Ethan! I'm drunk. Yeah, got you. Ethan, Sophie's drunk. Can you give her a ride?
Mommy!
Okay, Nora, let's get you home.
Mommy, Ethan, look!
Protesters must have found this place. You can't stay here. Maybe I'll have your grandparents take you tonight.
We don't talk to Grandpa anymore. Can we stay at your place tonight?
But then they'll find out who I really am.
Please, Ethan, please.
Find a 2-bedroom apartment near where I am. I'll send you my location. Nothing too fancy, all right?
Mr. Grant, it's already 10 p.m. We have all the keys to your village. We sure you want to rent another apartment?
10 minutes, okay? Call me when it's done. Now, where's your toothbrush, Emma?
Oh, I drank too much last night. Where am I? Emma?
Nora, I took Emma to school.
Hello?
Nora, don't come to the firm today. Some people are here looking for you.
Joan? Joan, what's going on?
I've told you she's not here. Don't try to play games with me. I just saw you calling her. This is a law firm. Aren't you afraid of being caught? See what? Where's your proof? Where is Nora? Make her talk.
Stop! You have a problem with me. Leave them out of it.
Nora! Finally! I wouldn't think you'd dare to be here.
You're just like Darren. A criminal.
Darren's trust fund was frozen. Lucas and I were thrown out of our house. You did this! You need to get Darren back.
You think prison is just a place where Darren can walk out whenever he wants to? Tell the police you committed all the crimes.
Or I'll make everyone here pay for it.
Nora, just do what she says. Don't get us involved.
No.
Start her.
Nobody moves.
Ethan, you've come to save me.
Are you hurt?
No, I'm fine. Are you hurt?
I'm good.
You two framed Darren together.
Darren committed those crimes himself.
Shut up! Catch these two!
Wait! You see those certificates on the wall? This is a law firm. You just helped her kidnap a group of lawyers.
Don't believe her. She's bluffing.
Victoria, this is a low move, even for you.
My uncle is on his way. He's the vice president of the Grant Group. The Grants are the most powerful family in this city. My uncle will take down your firm with a finger. Ah, Uncle David.
If this guy were one of our VPs, how could I not know him?
Hey, smoking inside a public place is illegal. Plus, there are fire detectors everywhere. Do you want to set off a fire alarm?
So you're the fake lawyer that sent Darren to prison. I was going to smash this place, but lucky for you. Hey, why don't you allow us to have some fun right now? Tie her up.
Don't you dare lay a finger on her.
Ethan, you're hurt.
Are you worried about me now?
Enough! Cut the crap. Uncle David, don't let those two get away.
David Collins, right? You work at the Grant Group? I'll be fired in 5 minutes.
Why do I feel like I've seen this face before? Hey, you little shit. Even if we beat you to death, the Grant Group will make sure we get away with it.
Joan is calling the police. Don't.
Don't worry, I got this. I know a guy at the Grant Group. Just trust me. So you work in the Grant Group, right? Prove it.
Well, why would I want to do that? What do I get in return? Your fingers? Your legs?
Don't hurt Ethan.
Well. Another pretty lawyer.
None of them are getting away today.
Okay. So you want to make sure that I'm the vice president of the Grant Group. Check my business card.
Oh, that's funny. All the vice presidents of the Grant Group have silver business cards. This one's navy blue. You're a fraud.
How could you possibly know that?
Well, that's easy. I own the Grant Group.
What?
What? Then I'm the president of the United States.
Just because your name is also Grant? Please, there are at least 100 people with the same name.
Ethan, what are you doing?
I know someone from the Grant Group. Just trust me. Look, David, I'll be fired in 5 minutes.
Then do it.
Yeah, David Collins works at the Grant Group. Tell the HR team to let him go.
Tell the HR team to let him go. I almost fell for that.
David, you were an employee of the Grant Group, but you lied. You weren't a vice president. You were a driver. David, you're fired, okay? And you're going to face charges for scamming people under the Grant Group's name.
No way. You're bluffing.
Am I? You'll see soon enough.
This is my boss. Hello, Mr. Good. What? Please, let me explain. I need. Don't fire me. Hello. Hello.
What? He's a real Grant? I thought you were just Nora's pathetic assistant.
Victoria Collins, David Collins, you two need to come with us.
No. Mr. Grant, please forgive me. I need this job.
Oh, sir, here you go. Here's some evidence. He was not the vice president.
This is all your fault. I'm going to jail now.
Uncle David, how could you? You lied to me. A driver?
She tricked me into this. I had nothing to do with it.
As for my firm's losses, I will be filing a lawsuit. It'll cost you about $5 million, but that's not too much for you, right? After all, Darren did transfer all of our money to you.
No, that's my money.
Oh, that was so close. Luckily, Nora and Ethan stopped them.
Ethan, are really the Grant family's heir?
Oh, I just have a friend that works at the Grant Group. Yeah, I was just improvising.
Brilliant acting. I bought it. Ethan, I don't want you to risk yourself for me again.
Look, it's my job to protect all of you at the firm. Nora, are you okay?
Are you hurt? You need to go to a doctor.
I'm okay, don't worry.
Everyone, I am so sorry that you had to go through this today. The firm will cover all of your medical and mental counseling fees. 3 months' salary will be given to you as compensation. Now, who wants burgers? My treat.
Yeah, let's go. Who's ready for tequila? First round's on me.
Guys, Emma's babysitter had to go home. See you tomorrow.
I'll go with you. Let's get a taxi.
Wait, you two moved in together?
Yeah, we moved in together.
Emma and I just crashed at Ethan's place, but we're moving out soon. Gotta go. Oh, sorry, I didn't know you were in here.
Oh, that's okay. I'm just trying to put some medicine on. I can't reach it.
He got hurt because of me. Let me help.
Don't worry about it. You have a long day yourself.
Relive every kiss inside my mind. Every little thing you've done. And now I can't forget I fall down, 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 down.
You should probably get that.
Sorry, it's my mom. Yes, mother. Can I call you back later, please?
Wait, Ethan, remember your father's old friend, the one in the real estate business? He has a daughter. And guess what? She's single. We've already asked him to set you two up. We really hope you two can get married by this year.
Ethan has been single for a long time. He should marry someone who's right for him. It's definitely not me.
Mother, I've told you many times I'm not going on any more blind dates.
But she's the famous legal queen. If you could marry her, our grant group would become even more powerful. She's undefeated as a lawyer. You have to meet her. I'll invite her to your birthday party.
Mom, that is not true. She's not the legal queen. I know the legal queen myself. It's not going to happen, okay? Mother. Mother.
Nobody move!
Walking on the roof, I can see your eyes on yours.
Ethan, we've always wanted you to settle down, but you don't even have a girlfriend. When are we going to be able to have grandkids at our foundation parties?
Mother, I'm in love with someone. She just doesn't know it.
Who? That divorced woman? You have been in love with her for 10 years. I will never approve of the two of you.
Madam, are you the one who put the $1 billion deposit on the Emerald Hills estate?
Emerald Hills? Isn't that the lawsuit Joan's handling?
Yes, that's right. I'm Andy's client. Is he not here today? I'm here to pay the balance.
Andy's no longer with the company, but I can go right ahead and get those files for you. Just give me 1 minute.
Thank you. Another contract.
It's just for your protection. Trust me. You old, dumb woman. The Emerald Hills project is about to collapse. You'll never get your money back.
I'm sorry, but I have to interrupt. You can't sign this.
Who the hell are you?
The developer for Emerald Hills is bankrupt.
What?
Is that true?
Madame, don't believe her. This is untrue.
Look. See, there's a hidden exemption clause. If you sign this, you won't be able to get your money back.
Nonsense. This deal is wholly legitimate, I assure you.
I am a lawyer. We recently took a case against this developer.
She's a lawyer from Ethan's firm. Only if she were Ethan's girlfriend. Such a nice girl. I trust her.
I see what's going on. You could afford it. So you hired this phony lawyer to make this whole act up. Security! Get these two to the warehouse and make the old one sign.
I think we're going to get along.
You two bitches won't get away with this.
Do you know who I am? I am with the Grant family. My husband is Duncan Grant.
Your husband is the richest man in the city, Duncan Grant. Why didn't he just come here and sell your credit?
Well, who said I need him to pay for this? My investments in the Grant Group are worth $10 trillion.
Are you dreaming? 10 trillion? Is that in Monopoly money?
Look, I'm here for you. You don't have to listen to him. You can just leave.
No one is leaving until that contract is signed. You're from the Grant Foundation. You have thousands of properties. What would you be doing with someone like me?
Well, I'm just buying it for my son. He's getting married, you know. You know what? I am going to report you to the boss group.
You should have brought a real phone and a real lawyer.
Leave this to me. You do know that you're violating the Voss Group's policy, right?
Oh, I am? I'm sorry. What's a loser like you gonna do to me?
This is Nora Voss. I'm calling to report an employee illegally selling real estate.
You finally called, Miss Nora.
I'm at the sales center downtown. Can you handle this?
Yes, Miss Nora. Can you please tell me that person's name?
What is your name?
Mark Pettit.
Mark Pettit. Thank you, Robert.
You're most welcome. Miss Nora, your father really hopes he can see you.
I'll think about it.
You were just faking that call. Mr. Wilson, what are you doing here? I was just dealing with a minor issue, but they're actually on their way out.
Miss, I'm the executive head for this region. Mrs. Grant, what a nice surprise. You're here too. I just received a complaint about my employee.
That's right. Mrs. Grant and I were the ones to make it.
What have you idiots done? Do you know who you just messed with? Starting today, you are suspended from your position. The company will investigate every trade you've made. You'll be held liable for all your illegal trades.
No! Please! I have loans to pay. I have a family. I didn't know you knew people in upper management, and I knew you were the real Mrs. Grant. Please!
Guards!
I can change. I can change. Come on, guys. Come on. I can change. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
I really do owe you for what you did for me in there today.
It's nothing. Your deposit will be returned to you soon.
Okay, let's talk about my son. I just know the two of you would hit it off.
I thought your son was getting married.
I hope he'll get married soon, but he doesn't even have a girlfriend. I tried to set him up with someone, but he refused to go out with her. Thank God I met you today. A single woman like you is just perfect for him. Maybe the two of you could start a family? How exciting would that be? A fresh new beginning.
Actually, I'm divorced, and I have a daughter. I'm sure your son will find someone much more suitable for him. I'm sorry, my daughter's waiting for me, so I have to go. Thank you. It was lovely meeting you.
You too. Oh, wait! My son has a thing for divorced women with children. What was her name? Oh, I have her business card. Where is it? Oh, where is it? I lost it.
Nora, is that a listing flyer? Are you planning on moving out?
She was right. Me being here will only hold him back. His family will never approve of us.
Can't stay here forever. We need to give you your space back. You need to be able to go out and meet girls. Like Sophie.
What does she have to do with me?
I can tell she cares about you a lot.
You trying to set me up with Sophie, or... I thought we had something going here. I gotta take this. Sorry.
Mommy, why is Ethan angry?
He's not angry. Do you want to go see Grandpa?
Okay, but will you stop arguing with Grandpa this time?
Emma.
Miss Nora, Miss Emma, welcome back.
Thank you, Robert. And thank you for the other day as well.
It was my pleasure. Your father's been waiting for you since this morning.
Grandpa, I drew this for you. Do you like it?
Of course I do.
Dad, I brought you these cufflinks.
I heard you divorced Darren. I told you that guy was no good when you decided to marry him.
Dad, I didn't come here to fight with you.
You never should have married that bastard.
You know exactly why I married him. It was because of Mom's dying wish.
You think your mom would have let you pick such a jerk?
Miss Nora, the truth...
Enough! And that small law firm of yours...
I'm not arguing with you.
Miss Nora, there's something you need to know. Miss Nora, you haven't come back for years. Every year on your birthday, your father will ask me to prepare for you to come home to celebrate. He will sit there just waiting for you. He misses you a lot.
Oh, Mommy, my hair.
Sorry, honey. Who's ready for a bedtime story?
Look, Grandpa gives me a lot of gifts. I have a whole room of books in the study. Mommy, are you and Grandpa friends now?
Yes, we're friends now.
Emily, Nora's divorced. She's unhappy. What should I do? My body is growing weaker every day. I might just be with you soon. Nora got me these cufflinks as a gift. Do you think they'll look good on me?
I think they look great on you, Dad.
Nora, you're still up. Here. This card has no limits. I know I haven't always been the perfect father, but this family will always have your back.
Dad, I'm glad I'm home.
Ethan!
Hey, Emma. You liking the new place your mom found?
Well, we're just staying at Grandpa's house for now. Grandpa and Mommy made up. They're not fighting anymore.
Really? Okay.
Grandpa's Mommy married someone else.
Emma!
You getting married?
Ethan, you have to marry my mom first. I don't want any other person to be my new daddy.
You two just moved out yesterday. You're already trying to get married to someone else?
I know you just divorced, but I have this friend. His son, he's a really good guy. Plus, he's the heir to the Grant Group. I think you'll like him. You should be with someone we know better.
Dad, I don't need a husband. I'm perfectly fine raising Emma on my own.
But Emma needs a father, and I don't know how much longer I'll be here for you and Emma. Someone needs to take care of you two.
I like Ethan more than I should, but we shouldn't be together. Maybe this is the right thing to do for me. I'll go and meet the guy.
Wonderful. Now, his birthday is next week. There's going to be a masquerade party. You can meet him there. Remember, he'll be wearing a black mask. Bring a red rose.
It's a long story. My father just wanted me to go on a blind date with his friend's son.
Okay, you agreed to meet with him?
It's just a date.
Date? So you're dating now?
Calm down. Maybe I won't even like him at all. Maybe he'll turn out to be very boring and ugly.
Nora just moved out for one day and guys are already lining up to marry her? God, I need to move fast. What should I do?
Hello? Oh, you found me an apartment?
Okay, Miss Voss, how do you like it?
I mean, it's a nice apartment. Actually, I have all my luggage right there. I just have to move it over here.
Nora! Are you gonna move in here? We're gonna be neighbors.
It's a great apartment, but I'll still run into Ethan every day. Actually, do you have any other options available?
Is it about the price? 'Cause actually, we have a promotion right now. First 3 months, free of charge.
Oh. Okay. I'll take it.
This is crazy.
Thanks for the ride. See you later.
Turns out you're hooking up with the old guy? Such a gold digger. Wait till Ethan sees this.
Mom, I'm outside the jewelry store, so I'll pick up that ring you ordered. Wait, Ethan's getting engaged? To who?
She works at the same firm as Ethan. Track her down.
Mom, the security footage you sent was so blurry. Even if she was right in front of me, I wouldn't recognize her.
Miss Grant, this is the tears of an angel Mrs. Grant ordered.
Can you wrap it up for me, please? I'll take this. I'm sorry? This is my mother's.
But she's not here. I'll take these. The tears of an angel.
This ring is specially reserved for my family.
I'm sorry, miss. We can't sell this to you.
There's nothing I can't buy in this city.
What are you doing?
Nora, what are you doing here?
I can ask you the same thing. Were you trying to snatch her order?
She hasn't paid for it yet. It's not hers. Are you familiar with the law? After all, you've been a housewife for too long.
So this is the real you.
My father owns the Green Group. The Tears of an Angel is mine.
The Green Group?
Back off.
The name signed here is my mother's.
The Grant? The richest family in the city? Your mother? You're clearly lying.
May I see it? Let her have it. Trust me. If you can't afford this, you owe her an apology.
I'm sorry, miss. Your card doesn't have enough credit. The Tears of an Angel is worth $5 billion.
What? For a ring?
No, apologize.
I can afford it. I just don't have my unlimited credit card with me.
Oh, you mean like this black card?
Thank you for shopping with us.
I knew her card wouldn't work once I saw the bill. It's a beautiful ring.
Oh, it's not mine. I came to pick it up from my mother. I'm still in law school.
Oh, what are the odds? I'm a lawyer. Here's my number. If you're interested in an internship, you can reach me anytime. We'd be really lucky to have someone like you join us.
That'd be great. Let's keep in touch.
I have to go. I'll see you soon, I hope.
See ya. Such a nice person and professional lawyer. She's perfect for Ethan.
And that's the last one. You can go.
Can you give me a ride home, Ethan? You can even come up to my place.
What I need you to do now is call a taxi. The company will cover it, okay? I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, Mom. Mother, what are you talking about? Wait, your future daughter-in-law? What? Look, I've told you many times, I'm not going out with some random woman.
Too late. I've already sent her father an invitation for your birthday party.
Wait, I'm having a birthday party?
Of course. And it's a masquerade party. How romantic. You two will both wear masks.
How can I know it's her if we're both wearing masks? Please don't do this, Mom.
You're just like your father. You need to leave a little space for mystery. She'll be in a white dress and a white mask. You need to wear a black mask. You both will bring a red rose to the party, so you know which one she is.
That's one of the most absurd things that I've ever heard. I'm not doing it.
If you don't do it, I'll keep arranging dates for you.
Okay, fine. I'll meet her, but just this once, all right? And don't set up any more blind dates for me. All right, I love you. Bye.
Okay. Mommy, what's that in your hand?
Oh, it's the invitation for that birthday party. I kind of regret agreeing to go. But I made your grandpa promise, and now time to get some new dresses for tonight.
Mommy, look, that old lady fall!
Someone call 911. She's having an asthma attack. Emma, your healer.
Here, Mom.
Here we go. Easy, easy.
She's breathing. She saved her.
Wait, I've seen you somewhere. You're the legal queen.
Legal queen. She's been gone for 10 years. The legal queen's back. I need to know where she is. Find her now.
Mommy, everyone looks like a princess.
So do you, my little princess.
Can I hold the rose?
Of course.
Ouch!
Dad, I know our family really needs help from the grant group right now. I'll make sure their hair falls for me tonight. Trust me.
Well, hello. May I have this dance?
Sorry, I'm waiting for someone.
Come on, just one dance.
She won't dance with you. Only because she's a gold digger. She wants to wait for Mr. Grant. Who told you to dress like this tonight? I'm warning you. Mr. Grant is mine tonight.
Emma, let's go.
Where are you going? I was right. You know, ever since you walked in, people are talking about this divorced woman who brought her daughter here to seduce Mr. Grant. But I suppose you are enjoying the attention.
Not as much as you enjoy humiliating strangers.
What? You're asking for this. Oops. I guess you'll need to change your dress. Stay away from Mr. Grant.
Emma, let's go.
Mom, are you alright? I just want to go home now.
Yes, I'm okay. I'm just going to meet Mr. Grant, and then we're going to go home, okay? All right, we'll go home soon, okay? Hold the hand.
He's here, the heir to the Grant group.
Whoa.
Oh my god. Mr. Grant, I think your mother mentioned me to you. I'm your date tonight.
Nora and Emma? What are they doing here?
Mr. Grant, why don't we dance together and get to know each other?
I'd like to invite her to dance with me, not you.
Mr. Grant.
She brings her kid here. She's already a mother. You are the heir to the Grant group. How can you choose her over me? I am your date. The red rose, see?
That's enough, miss. You can tell your father and my mother that you and I will never work. Now, if you'll excuse me, may I have this dance?
Mr. Grant, I don't think that I should. My daughter needs me here.
Mommy, you could go dance. I'll be fine.
Mr. Grant, I'm divorced and I have a daughter. You shouldn't have any interest in someone like me.
Why not? I mean, who says I can't be interested?
You don't even know me.
I think I know you a little bit more than you think. And, we actually might have a lot more in common than you think.
Mr. Grant, stop teasing.
What if I told you that I've been in love with you for years?
That's impossible. We just met.
Looks like I'll have to tell Nora who I really am. Actually, Mr. Grant, your father really needs to talk to you now. Oh, excuse me for a few minutes. I'll be back.
She's pretending to be Mr. Grant's date tonight. It should have been me. This is Mr. Grant's mother. She's the one arranging the date.
Pretending I am his date.
His date is supposed to be wearing a white dress and bring a red rose to this party. Look at you. You're not even close. Just a liar.
Mommy didn't lie. My grandpa special asked her to dress like this. It's you. You spilled red wine on my mommy. My mommy had to change her dress.
Mrs. Grant, I am not lying. You can ask my father.
Enough. You're making a scene at my son's birthday party. No white dress, no red rose. Do you know who my son's date is? The legal queen. An undefeated lawyer, not a woman like you.
That's me. I am the legal queen. Oh, Miss Grant, don't let her get away with this. She probably sneaked in here to seduce your son.
Mrs. Grant, I am the legal queen, not her. Just, you can visit my law firm anytime.
She's still lying.
I know women like you, single, with a child. You see a rich man like my son and you try to climb into my family. Well, it's not going to work this time. You need to leave. Security!
Wait, just listen. You can ask my father. He'll explain it to you.
I have a better idea. I have the number of my son's date. I'll call it and we'll see who the fake is.
That proves nothing. You're still a liar. You are not Mr. Grant's date, and there's no way you're the legal queen, bitch!
Everyone listen up! The woman standing next to me, she's not just any guest. I've been secretly in love with her for 10 years. You may all know her as the legal queen.
Is that true? Is she really the legal queen?
Trust me, she is.
Mr. Grant, don't be fooled by her. How could you possibly know she's the legal queen?
Because I've been working for her for many years.
Ethan? It's you? You're the heir to the Grant Group?
Allow me.
It's you. You're the lawyer who helped me at the real estate office.
She's the legal queen? Well, then I'm the Queen of England. Victoria, what are you doing here?
I'm here to tell everyone you're a fraud.
Everyone, this woman
Stole my man.
She pretended to be the legal queen and threw him in jail. She even got him a life sentence. You fooled us. You ruined my family.
You had an affair with my husband, using our money. You had a child with him. Darren deliberately sent an employee to a dangerous workplace, which cost that employee his life. He was ready to run away with you, right? You two wanted me to take the fall.
No one's gonna believe your story. You're not the legal queen. No, you are a criminal. You impersonate the legal queen.
Who says she's not the legal queen? You must be Miss Voss.
Yes, and you are?
So excited that we finally found you. I saw the video of you saving that woman on the street, and I told my assistant we had to find you. So afraid you'd disappear again like you did 10 years ago. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm the president of the Bar Association, Dr. Johnson.
Dr. Johnson. It's nice to meet you. I've read several of your books. What can I do for you?
I wanted to invite you to our annual dinner. You've never lost a case, and you always stand up for the weak. We wanted to present you with the Lifetime Achievement Award. And I want to present you with this. It's our highest achievement award. It was given to you 6 years ago. Just because you didn't come to accept it then, it's still yours.
She's not the legal queen. How could you award her this imposter?
We have long verified Ms. Voss's records and credentials. She is the legal queen. That there's no doubt.
That's impossible.
Look, guys, I can prove she's just a gold digger. She even seduced a man twice her age.
I think you need to apologize to my daughter now.
Arthur, she's your daughter? We tried to get them on a date, Ethan and her.
She looks so much like me. Don't you recognize her?
What a coincidence. We can start with the wedding arrangements, Arthur.
Yes, that's great. Ethan, she is your perfect match. She helped me get back the tears of an angel at the jewelry store.
Wait, do you all know Nora?
She is also the one who saved my life. She is the one granddaughter-in-law that I approve of.
Oh my, what a terrible misunderstanding.
You all have been fooled.
She's still lying.
Oh, security, please escort these horrible women off of the property and do not let them back on again.
Whoa.
Wait, what?
Excuse
No,
you.
I am a state. Oh.
And beyond that, I want everyone here to know that the legal queen is Nora Voss. And Nora will be practicing under her own name from now on. We should all respect that.
Another thing. Nora,
Oh, wait, you can't propose with that little diamond. Who has the tears of an angel ring?
thank you, Emma.
That's a huge diamond.
I hear it's worth $5 billion.
Nora,
Ethan.
my whole family approves of us now. I've loved you deeply for years. You're the one, Nora. What other excuse can come between us? Nora, will you marry me?
Yes.
I'm so ready to fight. Yes, he's gonna be my daddy. Let's be thoughts of you to keep me